Hey guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to open and verify Forex account with Exness Broker. First, open your browser and search for Exness Register. From the search result, click on the Sign Up option. Once the page opens, click on the Register option. After clicking on Register, select your region of residence, and then enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, create a password in the given field. After completing these details, click on Continue to move ahead. Next, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for XNS. You will find the XNS application there, which you need to download. After downloading the app, open it and you will see the Sign In page. Sign in using the same email address you used while creating your account and enter the password you set earlier. After signing in, you will be asked to set a passcode of your choice. Once the passcode is set, your account will be successfully registered. After registration, the next step is completing the KYC process, also known as Know Your Customer. To start KYC first, you will need to verify your email address. After email verification, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Click on Continue and an OTP will be sent to your number. Enter the OTP to verify your phone number. Once your phone number is verified, a new page will appear where you need to fill in your personal details. After entering the required information and clicking on Continue, another page will open where you need to select your investment option. Following that, choose your source of income from the available options and click on Continue. Next, select your industry of occupation and proceed further. Then choose the option that best matches your income and total wealth and enter your employment status. You will then be asked about your trading experience over the past 3 years. You can select the option that applies to you, such as having no prior trading experience. After that, you will be asked about your trading plans for the next 1 year. Choose the option that suits your goals. Next, select the trading instruments you plan to use, such as Forex and currency pairs, and continue. After completing these steps, the document verification page will appear. Here, you need to upload your identity documents, including your ID card. Select the type of identity document you are uploading and proceed to upload it. Once the documents are uploaded, click on Submit Documents. After submission, your KYC will be verified within 24 hours, and once it is approved, you will be able to use your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching.